Hello and welcome to another lesson of Arabi bil Bait. Today we're going to learn about the pronoun of separation. This is a simple lesson that will help you build more sophisticated sentences. Let's start by imagining you have a brand new car. If you wanted to say, this is a new car bil Arabi, you would say, هذه سيارة جديدة. Since we're talking about a new car, we use the indefinite سيارة. If you wanted to say this car is new, you would say بالعربي هذه السيارة جديدة. Notice because we're talking about this car, we use the definite السيارة. But what if we wanted to say this is the new car? In Arabic, whenever we have a demonstrative pronoun such as هذه or هذا followed by a definite noun such as السيارة, we treat this as a single unit. And that's why in the last sentence, هذه السيارة is considered a single unit. So in order to say this is the new car, we have to use the pronoun of separation. So here we would use هذه هي السيارة الجديدة. So here is functioning as the pronoun of separation. Pronouns of separation, or ضمير الفصل as they're known in Arabic, are used to separate and emphasize two definite phrases within a sentence. And then depending on whether the phrases are singular, dual, or plural, we use the corresponding pronouns to emphasize and separate them. It's pretty simple, but let's go over an example. So here we're talking about this director. بالعربي, we know we say هذه المديرة. Here we have another unit. We have a demonstrative pronoun followed by a definite noun. So in order to break this unit up, we would say بالعربي هذه هي. We use the pronoun of separation. هذه هي المديرة. Sometimes the pronoun of separation is optional. When the demonstratives and sometimes other words are followed by an idafa, instead of a noun with a definite article like we saw in the previous examples, the pronoun of separation is not always necessary, but you can add it for emphasis. Let me show you a couple of those examples. So we have the sentence, this is the new professor's book. بالعربي we can say هذا كتاب الأستاذ الجديد. Notice here we have an idafa, كتاب الأستاذ, so we don't need a pronoun of separation. But if we wanted to emphasize this كتاب الأستاذ, we can use the pronoun of separation and say هذا هو كتاب الأستاذ الجديد. So here هو is functioning as the pronoun of separation and it gives emphasis to the kitab. Let's do another example. This is the small kitchen table. So بالعربي we can say هذه طاولة المطبخ الصغيرة. Here طاولة المطبخ is an idafa, so this is a perfectly fine sentence. But if we wanted to emphasize this طاولة, we would say هذه هي طاولة المطبخ الصغيرة. Here هي is functioning as a pronoun of separation and it emphasizes the طاولة. As you see, this is a relatively simple concept and a relatively simple way to make more sophisticated sentences. So this concludes our lesson on the pronoun of separation. شكرا وإلى اللقاء.